Today, we'll take you on an in-depth look at the structural principles and core functions of Gabion mesh machines, as well as their value in practical engineering applications. A complete Gabion machine consists mainly of 4 parts. The wire feeding system is responsible for delivering coil wire evenly and steadily to the weaving mechanism, and directly determines the consistency of the mesh openings in subsequent processes. The weaving mechanism is the core of the entire machine. Through a precision gear drive and the twisting mechanism, it repeatedly twists the steel wires to form regular hexagonal mesh openings. The tightness and angle of the twists are also the areas where performance differences among equipment from different manufacturers are most evident. The drive and control system provides the power for operation. Some models use a CNC system to adjust speed and timing parameters, enabling automated production and reducing manual intervention. A traction device that ensures the smooth output of the formed mesh sheets and automatically winds them to the set lengths. The value of Gabion mesh machines is primarily reflected in 3 aspects: improves production efficiency and enables continuous batch production, resulting in efficiency that is several times higher than manual labor, ensures product consistency, with uniform mesh openings and crimped edges throughout, meeting the long-term load-bearing requirements of construction mesh. This reduces overall costs, as a single machine can replace several skilled workers, while also minimizing quality fluctuations caused by variations in manual operations. Products manufactured by Gabion mesh machines are widely used in engineering applications such as riverbank protection, slope stabilization, retaining walls, road slope stabilization, and mine slope protection. We are YouTe Machinery, specializing in the research, development, and manufacturing of hexagonal wire mesh weaving equipment. Our main products include CNC hexagonal mesh machines and Gabion mesh machines. We offer a full range of models and provide customization services, along with professional support throughout the entire process from equipment selection to after-sales maintenance.